Right. Welcome back, guys. So we'll be looking at another question, and that's going to be question 4, correct? So we have a question here. C is equal 2 minus 2, 3, 0, 4, 2, and D is equal, sorry, I never knew that the mic was off. So, and we have this is 1 minus 1 and 4, 3, 0, and 5. Okay, so we're looking at this question. C equals 2 minus 2 for 3, 0, 2, and minus 1 minus 1, 1 minus 1, 4, and the rest. So we're told to evaluate C times D. That's the first thing. The second thing is we're told to evaluate D times C. And the third thing we're told to evaluate D squared. To evaluate D squared. So let's solve. Let's solve. So solution. Now C times D. The pattern has not changed. All this here will multiply the column here and will also multiply the column here to have the first box and to have the second box. You can see that now. The same thing goes here. All this will multiply this to have the first box in the second row, the first column, and the second, the, also this again here, right? Okay, so let's do that together. Now this is equal to, that's going to be, we open a bracket, that is, you are doing it carefully because you don't want to make mistakes. So just you take the step the way I'm taking the step so that you will not miss anything out. So we'll be having 2 times 1 plus minus 2 times minus 1 plus 4 times 4. And see that? Now the next one is going to be what? 2 times 3. Then I'll be having plus minus 2 times 0. Then I will have plus 4 times minus 5. You can see it. Then I have my first row. The two elements in the first row have been evaluated. So the second row is going to be 3 times 1 plus 0 times minus 1 plus 2 times 4. And I close the bracket. Then I'll be having 3 times 3 plus 0 times 0 plus 2 times minus 5. You can see that now. Evaluated this. So what will this give me? That's 2 times 2. That 2 times 1, that's 2 plus 2 plus 16. Are you seeing that now? This is going to be what? 6 plus 0, right? Plus 0 plus minus 20. And see that now. This is going to be what? 3 plus 0 plus what? 8. This is going to give me 9 plus 0 minus 10. This is 20. And this is equal to 2 plus 2 plus 16. That's going to be 20. And this is going to be 11. This is going to be negative 14. And I'll be having negative 1. This is the answer for the first what? for the first question. For the first question. And we were also told to evaluate D times C. D times C. Now what is D times C? Don't worry, I'll write it out. What is our D? This is our D. 1 minus 1, 4, 3, 0, minus 5. And what is our C? I have 2, 3, minus 2, 0, 4, and 2. Can you see that now? So, can they work out? Is it possible for me to multiply these two matrices? Someone is thinking, let's find out. That's going to be the row multiplied by the column. That means it is possible. It is possible. So let's solve it out. So this is going to be what? 1 times 3 plus what? 3 times 3. This is the first one, right? 1 times minus 2 plus what? 3 times 0. And this is it. And we'll have 1 times 4 plus what? 3 times 2. We have this. You seeing it now? So we go for the second one again. This multiply this. So we have minus 1 times 2 plus what? 0 times 3. I have minus 1 times minus 2 plus what? 0 times 0. And I have minus 1 times 4 plus what? 0 times 2. So you can pause the video and do the last row yourself. Alright, okay. So this is equal to 3 plus 9 minus 2 plus 0, 4 plus 6. And we have minus 2 plus 0. And we have 8 minus 15. And we also have here that's minus 1. And we have plus 2 plus 0. And now we have minus 8 plus 0. This minus 4 plus 0. This 16 minus 10. So what's going to be the answer? The answer is what? 12 minus 2. 8 minus 15 is what? Minus 7 minus 2. 2 minus 8. 10 minus 4. And I have 6 as the answer. So you can see. Now, what is the order of this matrix? What is the order of D? The order of D is 3 by 2. What is the order of C? The order of C is what? 2 by 3. So this takes out, so what's our matrix? A 3 by 3 matrix. And this is a what? A 3 by 3 matrix. You can see that. So this is very straightforward and what? And clear. Alright. Okay, so um, let's look at one more question. Let's look at the question. Now the question is very straightforward. Number 4. I think it's going to be question 5 now. So we have 3. It said let's 3 into okay, minus a b c d is equal to 4 into minus 2 3 5 and minus 2. Are you seeing it now? So that means this is a scalar multiplying a matrix. A scalar multiplying a matrix. So we want to evaluate the value of A, B, C, D. So if I open this bracket, what will I have? I will have 12 minus 6, 18, 9 minus is equals minus 8, 20, 12 minus 8. I see this now have A, B, C, D. See that? Okay. Now, how do I do this? I can just, 12 minus A is equal to minus 8. You can see that now. So, I can say 12 minus A is equals to minus 8 minus 6 minus B is equals to 20. 18 minus C is equals to 12. 9 minus D is equals to minus 8. So I can do it like this, or I bring this to this place, I take this to this place. And to evaluate this, this is equals to what? 12 plus 8 is equals to A, and that is what? 20. And minus 6 minus 20 is equals to D, and that is equal to what? Minus 26. And see that 18 minus 12 is equals to C, and C is equals to what? 6. And the last one, 9 plus 8 is equal to D, and D is equals to what? 17. So what is the value for A, B, C, and D? So A is equals 20, B is equals minus 26, C is equals 6, and D is equals 17. So I can say A, B, C, D is equal to 20 minus 26, 6, and 17. So this is done. Are you saying that now? Alright, so this is going to be our last example under multiplication of matrices. But we will still look at further questions under multiplication of matrices when we are studying the past question together. Okay? Alright, see you in the next video. Bye guys.